Inside each Werks Traveler 4.0 upright is a removable suitor designed to hold 2 to 3 garments and help reduce wrinkles. To use the suitor, open the main compartment and unfasten the buckle closures on the lid. Unfold, unzip, and open the suitor. Lay garments flat, placing the hangers near the main compartment. Insert the hangers through the webbing loop, lift the clasp, and pull the webbing loop tight to secure. Close the clasp when finished. Close and zip the garment suitor. Fold toward the bag twice and fasten the buckle closures.